Oh, hello guys! So you may know I really like FLATPAKS and I'm using a lot of them actually. Well, not a lot, but most of the software that I am installing and using, depending on the distribution that I'm using, I'm trying to use FLATPAKS. So that much I really like them. But anyway, so sometimes I was wondering, does any tool allows me to manage my flatpaks without going through the terminal or going through the specific distribution software center and look individually for that flatpak? Well, turns out there is such a tool. I have recently discovered it, and today in this video I want to show you what is it, how to find it, how to little quick use it. So without further ado, let's get to the video. Okay, so when you go to the main page at FlatHub or flathub.org, this is the place usually where I search and install all my Flatpaks. Now the tool that I want to show you today, it's called Warehouse. Just look for the warehouse and it's that right here. Just open it. Oops. Just open it. It's pretty easy to install. Just click the install button. I really like to copy the command and use it in the terminal. That's how I usually install it, but that's me. I have already installed that and I'm gonna try and show you right now. Okay, it's right here. This is a really nice small program. You may think of it as a small software center specifically and only for Flatpaks. You have the listing of all installed Flatpaks on your system. You have the individual information for every single one of them. You can show a little bit more information. You can take a look wherever it's interested to you. If you click this button here, you can copy or you can just uninstall it. You can stop it from updating itself. You can downgrade even, which is pretty interesting. You have the options to select a specific release that you know you like, that you know it's working good for you, and downgrade to that specific version of your software. You have, of course, a search button. Let's search for Minion, for example. That's pretty convenient. You have a refresh button. You have another button here. Oops. You have a specific filters that you can play with. You have a multiple selection tool and you can just select all if you want, and you can just clean up your system from all Flatpaks if you have for some reason decide to do that. That's how you can really easy do it without going through the terminal. You have a few more options. You can install manually Flatpak from downloaded file. You can manage leftover data if you have any. You have a couple more things you can do. Of course, keyboard shortcuts. You have about information, the warehouse app itself. And this is another really interesting manage remotes. As you can see, I already have installed the default FlatHub. You can install a few more popular remotes, like the App Center of, this is the elementary one. You have the Fedora one or the GNOME Nightly. You have the KD testing applications or you can just add it manually with the repo file. That's all pretty good. I really like that. I've been using it for a couple of days and I'm pretty happy with it. I think this deserves a lot more attention than it does. It's a really cute and helpful tool. The only thing that I didn't figure it out yet, or it's not a feature at all, this is quite possible, of course, but I would like to have the option when you have managed and add specific remotes like FlatHub or FlatHub Beta or whatever App Center, Fedora or whatever, doesn't matter. I would like to have an option to search for not installed, for example, I don't know, if I'm looking for a new app that I want to install from the FlatHub, and I would like to have an option to search for it and install it with the graphical user interface, like this search button, for example. Instead of searching for the FLATPAKS that I already have installed, I would like to have another search that is searching like a software center directly in the FlatHub repo and finding the app that I want to install and gives me the option to install it, of course. But I hope this will come in the near future. I hope they are working with it. I'm gonna stick with this for now. And I really like it, like I said. It really deserves more attention. For me, this is a pretty useful, pretty nice, and it's a small little program. I really recommend it for all of you guys out there who are using FLATPAKS and you have tool now to manage every single one of them. And with all that, that's all I wanted to show you today. I don't want to waste your time too much. You can just find it, install it for yourself, try it, and please do let me know what you think about this cute little tool. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.